Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
In this video, we're going to be talking about barridas, how the leader will do barrida to her and how she will respond doing a barrida to him.
Very fun, but remember to subscribe, like and share with your friends.
Now, let's get to the dance floor. Alright, now we are going to see how it works together. First, explaining the lead for the follower. Yes?
So we go side. He's lifting, so this is small step, short step, and we feel the barrida. I rotate the leg, and look how I follow. I keep my foot together when he's pushing, and we end on the same point. Don't keep going, ladies. Now, the lead. He's pulling from his right shoulder and he doesn't move his foot. So this is my lead to barrida him. When I feel like, oh, he's leading me to walk, but his foot is stopping me. So this is when you have to do barrida to him. So again, bend your foot. Now keep your foot together. So I can drag and go to my knees together. I pass by my feet together, knees together. Rotate like I did before, to end on the last part of the barrida. So I'm barrida him from the back to the front of my position. Now from here, he will send me to the right. He's changing and we go a little bit against the line of dance, but I'm using a little punteo as an embellishment to keep walking with him. So I go front with my left, side with my right. On the side, I'm again in line of dance. So we re-embrace, keep walking with the left, and we go to resolution, back, side, and feet together. Stop! Wait a minute.
Before we move to the second part of this video, we would like to mention that we have a course in barridas in our online tango training school, which is at miriamleonardotango.com.
A lot of classes, a lot of information that you can have every week, 2 times a week, right? We have different lessons. And then you can also buy it separately.
Yes, and that will be as a downloadable course. Every single chapter, every single video of these courses, you are going to be able to follow us along with our 3 cameras that we have. We rotate so you can follow. We show you the music, the technique, very complete courses.
Very good. Now, let's go back to the second part. But remember to watch this video until the end because we're going to give you 2 more tips.
Now for the leader, let's rewind the position. We are doing side step. The first part you already know it, but we are going to mention it. Going up, pump, larger step, going low, and move your foot, your right foot from the position, original position to be in front of her, so we can catch. Barrida, 1. One thing that I wasn't mentioning before is that the barrida has to happen with the top part of your foot, yes, and a little more to the internal part, never with the outside. Pam. So now, the lead for this. I'm going to lead her to walk front, straight front. There is no extra lead. If my foot is not there, I will just pull back for her to walk, yes? So, but I will do that lead and leave my foot on her way so she encounters my foot, and I will try to be soft with my foot, but glue to her. So I'm allowing her to walk without really stopping her. Now from here is almost like a little colgadita, but we are bringing her up. We are shading the axis at this moment so I can rotate. If we don't share the axis, I'm going to either bump her off axis or she will bump me off axis. So I'm changing by the way to the left. I'm keeping her up, and we cannot stop a step, from the up position, so we need to lower to make sure she presents the leg. Once we lower, I'm already pulling from my left shoulder blade, and I will do a small step. Pump, tuck. So I recover the line of dance, which is on that direction. From here, I will lower, walking outside, and we can resolve like on the basic step. Front, side, and feet together.
Congratulations! Now we have more tips for you.
Tip number 1 for the followers. When you do the barrida, remember to rotate the leg from the top part. So we are rotating in, make the knee very soft and flexible so you can move the leg, in this case, from the front to the back, very smooth and without looking like a wooden leg. That's a very important tip. I see a lot of followers at the Milonga feeling the barrida or receiving the barrida in wooden leg, like straight leg. This is not good. Very flexible, but rotate it to inside so you can keep your foot together with the leader and then be able to slide out, in this case, back. Tip number 2, don't keep going farther back. Keep your leg in contact with the leader's foot. So in this case, if you keep your foot together, when he leads to go back for you to do the barrida, to do barrida to him, you will feel the lead. If you already walk after the first barrida, like, okay, I guess I have to keep walking, going to the next step, he's not going to be able to give you the second lead, which is stop and barrida again to his foot. So be patient, keep your leg there, and you will receive the next lead. Enjoy the moment.
And Miriam was talking about the lines. That lines apply exactly for the leaders. The same thing applies for the leader. And she was mentioning wooden leg, and even worse when the position of the leg is open. Wooden leg plus open means no good lines. So make sure to close the position of the knee and soften your knee for the leaders, and also, like Miriam was explaining, for the followers as well. And also for the leaders, make sure to be gentle with your foot. Every time we catch her foot to do a barrida, has to be gentle. I've seen many leaders going boom, almost like a kick to her, for her to realize that it's a barrida. Don't do that. Be gentle. We are going to stop her from the torso, not from the legs. Once we stop her from the torso, she will leave her foot there, and we are going to be able to be gentle there.
This is very important. Let me add something, because we are using open toe shoes. So please don't step on our toes.
So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave us a thumbs up, a comment. That would be much appreciated, because you are supporting our channel doing that.
Thanks so much, and we'll see you on the next video.
Bye.